Welcome to Dev Errors Fixed. Today, a Python classic that bites every beginner index error, list index out of range. It means you reached for an item that isn't there. We'll trigger it live, read exactly what it says, and fix it. Let's go. Here's the whole idea. A list of length n has indexes from 0 up to n-1. So a 3-item list has valid indexes 0, 1, and 2. And that's it. There is no index 3. The moment you ask for one that doesn't exist, Python stops with index error, list index out of range. It's an off-the-end error, and it's almost always an off by 1. Look at it. Our list has 3 items at indexes 0, 1, 2, but a loop over range of length plus 1 counts 0, 1, 2, and then 3. Index 3 points past the last item at nothing. So the instant we read nums at 3, Python throws. That little plus 1 is the whole bug. Let's write a tiny script to trigger it. A list of 3 numbers and a function that's supposed to print every element, 1 per line. The body is empty for now, just the shape. Let's fill it in. Here's the loop, and here's the mistake. We loop over range of the length plus 1, thinking we want to reach the last element and print the item at each index. But length plus 1 runs the counter one step too far, to index 3, which doesn't exist. This looks completely reasonable, and it's wrong. Run it 10, 20, 30, and then boom. Trace back. And the last line, index error, list index out of range. Notice it printed all 3 real items first and only failed on the 4th step, the one that went past the end. Python even points at the exact line. Sure, so read it, no, the last line is the real error, and out of range literally means you went past the end of the list. The traceback points at the exact line and the exact indexing that failed. With that, here are the usual causes and their fixes. Number 1, the off by 1, drop the plus 1, so range of just the length. Number 2, and better, don't index by hand at all, loop over the items directly, which can never go out of range. Number 3, an empty list, where even index 0 fails, so check the length first. And number 4, a hard-coded index that's simply too big, which you guard against with the list's length. Ours is the off by 1, so let's fix it the clean way. So here's the fix, live, and it's the cleanest one. Instead of counting with an index and reaching into the list, we loop over the items directly, for item in items. No plus 1, no square brackets, no index at all. Python hands us each element in turn and stops exactly at the end, so there is simply no way to walk past it. That whole class of off by 1 bugs just disappears. Now run the fixed version. 10, 20, 30 clean, no error. The same output we wanted all along, and now it's impossible to run off the end because we never touch an index at all. Quick recap. A list's valid indexes stop at length minus 1, never length itself. When you see out of range, you reached past the end. The cleanest fix is to loop over the items directly instead of juggling indexes, and to watch for off by 1s and empty lists. Index error is never a mystery, it's just one step too far. A quick note, if this cleared it up, the wallets are on screen and there's a Ko-fi link below. Every tip funds the next fix. Thank you. That's index error solved on a new dev error fixed from scratch every episode. Subscribe so you catch the next one. Tell me in the comments which error keeps biting you, and I'll see you there.